Hey there, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to manage your PayPal transaction history. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, log in into your PayPal account using the app or web browser. So unfortunately, PayPal does not allow user to delete transaction history. All transactions are securely stored on PayPal server for record keeping and compliance with financial regulation. If you no longer want any transaction or records in your PayPal, the only option is to close your PayPal. But before closing your account, make sure to withdraw your balance and restore any pending transaction. Once the account is closed, you will lose access to your PayPal history and services. So, to do this, go to your profile at the upper right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and just close account. And that's it. While you can delete individual transactions, this step can help manage your account. I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching and take care.